Hello, I'm Mau Manikis and I am from Bristol Elite.
I'm Ridesy Daniela, also a proud member of Bristol Elite.
And we're here to talk about SBT 650. So it's a new adventure bike from Bristol Motorcycle. It's a QJ SBT 650. So very competitive to for sure. Maraming magagandahan dito when it comes to adventure riding.
Actually, bagay na bagay sa'yo when we tried it. Kasi si Kuya Mau, sobrang hilig niya sa off-road. Ano? Ako naman, kabaligtaran niya, on-road naman ako. Well, if I am to compare the SBT 650 to other brands out there in the market, syempre, the things that I would have to consider, yung looks, pasok na pasok. Pasok sa taste ko yun. Alam niyo naman ako, mahilig ako sa adventure bike talaga. And then, this one, yung SBT, iba yung itsura niya eh. Nakakatuwa kasi very unique. And then, price range, of course, ayan. Pangmasa, pero dekalidad.
Going to Rivers of Rizal, doon ko na-try talaga na pwede talaga siyang i-offroad. Siyempre, itatry muna natin yan eh. Kasi first yan na dumating dito. Kami yung unang nag-try dito sa Pilipinas. Then, ang daming competitive na mga adventure bike sa market ngayon. So, itong SBT, ang advantage na for me is yung pagiging 650 niya. Mostly kasi ang in-offer nila from 400 to 500. Right. Then, if you're looking for a bigger bike, you have to go to 800 directly or 1,000 plus. And itong SBT, 650 lang siya. So, magandang middle class bike siya. Hindi ka mabibitin sa power. And tama-tama lang yung weight niya. Hindi siya magaan, hindi siya mabigat. Well, if you're looking for bike that is good for a newbie like me or...
newbie ka pa?
I can say I'm... hindi. I mean, yung... Pag naghahanap ka ng bike as a starter bike, pag gusto mo mag-adventure ride, napakagandang option ni SBT.
Yeah, i-consider nyo yung SBT 650. Actually, very agile din talaga siya eh. The moment na we tried it, that was my first time eh. Sobrang, comfortable agad ako dun sa bike. Kasi usually, parang kapag nag-try ka ng bagong bike, kailangan mo muna pakiramdaman, kung magkakasundo kayo or what, ganyan. Pero with this bike, hindi mo kailangan mag-adjust ng sobra, So to everyone who wants to try the bike, I believe merong mga demo bikes in Caloocan showroom, And usually nag-ikot sila sa mga branches nila, especially here in Luzon. Pag may chance kayo, grab the opportunity to try the bike. Hindi kayo magsisisi.
Thank you Bristol Motorcycle for letting us try the bike first. At yun, i-try nyo lang yung bike, makikita nyo rin yung mga sinasabi namin dito.
Hindi ito yung last na bike na ito-try namin, so be updated sa aming mga social media pages and of course, Bristol Motorcycle Facebook page.